Hi everyone, very good morning. Let's go for our lesson for today. Today we are going to learn about the expansion and contraction of material. For that, please look at your textbook page 154. Material will expand when gaining heat and contract when losing heat. Let us observe the situations below. Melia, look at the situation. Melia pour hot water into a drinking bottle and then she screw the cap. A few minutes later, she observed the situation that happened below. Okay, look at the pictures, the situation, what happened to the cap. Okay, pop. What causes the bottle cap to pop off? The air in the drinking bottle expand when it gain heat from the hot water. This causes the bottle cap to pop off. Okay, look at situation 2. Melia noticed that two glasses are overlapping and are difficult to be separate. She did the following steps below to solve the problem. Look at the Melia. These glasses are stuck together. Put some ice cubes into the glass. These glasses are successfully separated. How can the overlapping glasses be separated? When the ice cubes are put into the glasses will contract because they lose heat. Thus, the overlapping glasses can be separated. Okay, let's go to do this activity to observe the effect of heat on a metal ball. Look at here, this one we call metal ball. First, insert the metal ball through the ring and observe it. Okay, first time, the metal ball can enter the ring. Okay, second, light the Bunsen burner and heat the metal ball for 3 minutes. Look at here. Okay, number 3, insert the metal ball through the ring again and observe it. If you look at here, the metal ball cannot enter the ring after heated. Then number 4, put the metal ball into the glass container filled with water. Then insert the metal ball through the ring again and observe it. Okay, if you look here, the metal ball contract and can enter the ring. So what you get from this experiment? What can you conclude when the metal ball is heated and cooled? When the metal ball is heated, the metal ball gaining heat and expand. And when the metal ball is cool, the metal ball losing heat and contract. So, solid will expand when gaining heat. Solid means material. Solid will expand when gaining heat and contract when losing heat. Okay, let's go to do the second activity to observe the effect of heat on liquid. Just now solid, now liquid. Okay, pour color water into the conical flask until it is full. Then, number 2, attach the glass tube to the one hole Coke stopper. Then, close the conical flask with the Coke stopper. Then, okay, look at here. Okay, number 3, put the conical flask into the glass container filled with hot water and observe the level of water in the glass tube. Okay, if you look here, you can see the level of color water increases because the water expand. Okay, then number 4. After that, put the conical flask into the glass container filled with ice and observe the level of water. Okay, look at the level of the water. No more ready. So that means the level of color water decreases. That means the color water contract. Okay, hope you understand this one. Okay, look at the question. What can you conclude about the level of water in the conical flask when the conical flask is immersed in a glass container filled with hot water and ice? Okay, the level of water increases when gaining heat and the level of water decreases when losing heat. Liquid will expand when gaining heat and contract when losing heat. Same like the solid material. Okay, now let's go for your third activity to observe the effect of heat on air. Okay, for that, insert the nozzle of the balloon over the mouth of the plastic bottle. Immerse the plastic bottle into the glass container filled with hot water and make an observation. Look at the balloon. The balloon become bigger ready because air in the balloon expand. Not the balloon expand. The air in the balloon expand. Okay. Then number 3, immerse the plastic bottle into the glass container filled with ice and make an observation. Look at the balloon. Okay, the balloon, air in the balloon decreases. That's why you can see the balloon like that. Okay, so go to the conclusion. The expansion of a material occurs when materials such as solids like the metal ball, liquids like the color water, like the red color water, and gases like the air in the balloon gain heat from the surrounding. The contraction of a material occurs when materials such as solids, liquids, and gases lose heat to the surrounding. Okay, teacher hope you understand what teacher explained just now. Let's go for your exercise for today. Okay, today you have to do the lembaran 47. Complete the table below with the observation and inference for the following activities. Okay, look at the question 1. After hitting the iron ball, what happened? Okay, you answer, then give teacher the reason. Okay, here the iron ball expand because it gaining heat and contract because it losing heat. Inference. So for the observation, you write by your own. Okay, this one your first activity. Second one, you have to do an experiment. Okay, do this experiment in your house. Okay, for this experiment, you can scan the QR code here. Okay, listen. Produce a handmade thermometer using a plastic bottle, rubber band, transparent, drinking straw, color water, balloon, a glass container filled with hot water, and a glass container filled with ice. Okay, very easy things. And look at the steps. Okay, first, pour color water into the plastic bottle. Okay, number 2, tie the balloon at the neck of the bottle using a rubber band. After that, make a hole at the center of the balloon to insert the drinking straw. Okay, this one we do the experiment to observe the liquid expand and liquid contract. Okay, number 4, put the plastic bottle into the glass container. Glass container filled with hot water and observe the level of the water. What happened to the level of the water? Increase or decrease? Then put the plastic bottle into the glass container filled with ice and observe it. Okay, teacher 1, you take photo when you do this experiment. This teacher want to see the step 4 and step 5 only. Okay, so you take photo for step 4 and step 5 only, then send to teacher. Okay, make sure you do the experiment today. After do, take photo and send to the Telegram group. And do also exercise 1. Also send your answer in the Telegram group. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you understand and enjoy our lesson for today. Okay, thank you and see you next week. Bye.